Today I'm going to show you how to use the aquapod bottle launcher. We're indoors at the moment, so we're not going to actually launch it, but I'll show you all the steps. So I've got myself a bottle and I've filled it halfway up with water. You can do it with no water, or full of water, or just a little bit of water. It doesn't really matter, but it goes a bit higher with some water in. What I'm going to do is push this onto the rocket launcher. I'm doing it upside down so the water doesn't go everywhere. Push it all the way and then let go of the clip. Then if I turn it upside down, the clip has gone slightly over this bit of plastic here, so it's holding it in place. Then what you're going to need to do next is put that down on the ground, outdoors, and then, I'll hold it up so you can see, if you push the pump, you'll see the bottle expanding slightly and bubbles going into the bottle. What you need to do is you need to keep pumping until the bottle lifts slightly up so that it's just being held on the clip. It will do it itself, but I'm going to move it slightly up like this, and then it's just the clip holding that bottle in place. Then if there's enough pressure, where you've pumped it up and it's moved up on its own, you can do a big countdown, flick the switch at the end, and the bottle is going to go up in the air.